An insight into the design, construction and operation of the feared World War II German Type VIIc U-boat. The German Type VIIc U-boat, scourge of Allied shipping convoys during the Second World War, was the workhorse of the German U-boat force. With some 568 Type VII in use between 1940 and 1945, it was a potent fighting vessel that could hunt for long periods in the far reaches of the western and southern Atlantic. Centerpiece of the Haynes U-boat owner's workshop manual is the sole surviving example of a Type VIIc U-boat, U-995, which is on display at the German Naval Memorial near Kiel in northern Germany. Find the link below and buy the book now.